So this rig here, we've got the underfloor rig. This will just simulate underfloor heating, what you'd find in a property. It's got all the components there that will all work exactly the same as they would in your property. So at the top here, we've got the water tank. This would just simulate a water supply coming in from a mains or wherever, which will come down to your underfloor heating system here. The electrical components here, these are all fed just by a 13 amp plug on the back. Just plug that into a socket and away you go. So what will happen is you can switch it on and that will kick in all of these. You've got the two stats here. These will simulate sort of, you'd have one in one room and one in the other room as you would in your home. And once this is all powered up, you can turn up and down the stats as required. They'll work exactly as they would in a home, and that will then send the power down and open up your actuators down here. That will get the water pumped through from the pump here. That will go through into the tubes and down here into your sort of underfloor section here. So this is what you'd have under the floor, and then the water would flow around these pipes as they would in any room in the house, and that would warm up, obviously going through the floor, and that's how your underfloor heating would work. So you'd have separate zones here, each one from each stat. So one stat here and another stat there, and they would then change each actuator individually, so you can control each temperature in the room.